CMF Phone 3 is making headlines with a new concept born inside the Nothing community, designed by Rakesh Chakma, the same creative mind who earlier made the CMF Phone 2 Pro concept that gained a lot of attention. His latest work imagines what the CMF by Nothing Phone 3 Pro could look like if it combined futuristic features with the brand's signature minimal design. This concept blends high-end specifications, unique style, and clean design, all while staying true to the identity that makes CMF stand out. The highlight of this concept is a stunning 6.77-inch LTPS 1.5K flexible AMOLED display with HDR10 and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This screen promises sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and a fluid experience for videos, gaming, and everyday tasks. The design keeps thin bezels and a flat display, which makes the phone feel premium and practical at the same time. It's a look that feels modern yet minimal, fitting perfectly into the CMF vision of simplicity with a touch of boldness. On the performance side, the CMF Phone 3 Pro is imagined with a flagship-level processor, high-speed RAM, and fast storage to handle heavy gaming, multitasking, and demanding apps without slowing down. A large battery with fast charging support is also part of the vision, ensuring users can keep up with the high refresh rate and power-hungry performance without worrying about running out of charge. What's your take on this new design? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description.
The CMF Phone 3 Pro concept features a triple rear camera, primary, ultra-wide, and telephoto, housed in a bold rectangular module. A centered punch-hole front camera keeps the display immersive, making it perfect for creators and photography enthusiasts. The CMF Phone 3 Pro stands out with bold colors: matte green, matte black, and white silver with orange accents, and a sleek, minimal design. Exposed screw details and circular patterns on the back give it a unique, industrial look. Rakesh Chakma's concept stays true to the CMF philosophy of offering premium-looking designs and practical features at a more accessible price compared to traditional flagship devices. By keeping the industrial yet minimal style, the CMF Phone 3 Pro looks futuristic without being over-designed. It feels like a product that could easily become a success if Nothing chooses to bring it to life, because it speaks directly to people who want technology that feels personal and stylish, not just powerful. This is not an official product yet, but it reflects the passion and creativity inside the Nothing community. The CMF Phone 3 Pro concept shows how smartphones can stand out with powerful features, sleek design, and bold colors. With a focus on display, battery, and camera performance, it excites fans about what Nothing and CMF could bring next, even if it's still just a community concept. What are your thoughts about the upcoming CMF Phone 3 Pro? Are you excited about the launch? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.